Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle F1 channel. In this video, we are going to see how to install MS SQL Server 2017 on Linux, Oracle Linux 7.5. I have already installed Oracle Linux 7.5 on virtual machine, Oracle Linux, and I am going to execute step by step. Command I have already prepared. Let's see. So SQL Server 2017 installation on Linux. Once the Linux VM is built, follow the instruction below to install SQL Server latest release. So step 1, download the Microsoft SQL Server on Red Hat repository configuration file. For that, we need to issue the following command as a root user. So I'm going to execute an root user. For that we required internet connectivity. Just check that one. Alright, now check Google, it's working. Okay, so now I am going to execute this command. Let's see what will happen. Okay, steps 2, install SQL Server. So u-y install MS SQL Server. So it will install latest version 2017 SQL Server. It's being installing. It's now installing now. So I will share these steps in my Oracle DBA blog as well. Currently my blog unavailable due to some issues, network issues, and I will be posting in the description box also in the video, so you can have it and make use of it. This is especially for whoever wants to learn MS SQL Server installation step by step, or any Oracle DB or MS SQL Server DB or any MySQL DBAs. Whoever wants to learn MS SQL Server database installation, so you can follow these steps. So installing MS SQL Server version 2017. It's likely 203 MB. Currently installing MS SQL Server 2017 version. So the installations got completed successfully. Next we will verify the installed version. And then we need to set step 3, set up SQL Server installation. So now MS SQL config setup, let's say copy, enter your edition. I am going with the free, no production user rights. I am going to the developer free, so no true. Yes. So that we have configured that MS SQL Server, and now while choosing we have I choose it's a developer free edition, no production user rights, and then accepted the terms and conditions, license terms and conditions, and then I have set that password for SQL Server system administrator password, and then it has been configured. Now SQL Server is now starting. Okay, next step, yeah, this has been set up with the prompt for the type of edition and password, please apply the same on the command. Yeah, everything we have done. So this is asked this kind of steps, and we have given that so now what we are going to do, we are going to start the check the service. Setup services is now starting, right? So let's see, let's verify the service. So it's active, running. All right. Okay, next we can validate like this way also. So you can say 7425 7455. So SQL Server listening on this port 7455 SQL Server, like 1433 it's TCP6 listening on this port. Alright, and then step 4, connect to the SQL Server instance. What's the way we can connect through SQL Server on Linux? So for connecting, you need to first install MS SQL tools, SQL CMD and BCP, which can be installed by executing the below command. So we need to download this one also. Like for connecting SQL Server instance, we need SQL CMD tool, MS SQL tools like SQL CMD and BCP. So I'm going to execute this command. Alright, next install MS SQL tools. You install -y MS SQL tools Unix ODBC developer. So the installation got completed. MS SQL tools has been installed now, but to use them, add the MS SQL tools binaries to your path. So we need to add our path into path location. So we can execute simply. We can execute this line. Export path opt MS SQL tools bin. Okay. Next, to permanently add it, enter the below command to every user by which you want to access MS SQL tools binaries. So like you can do this way also in base profile. It will be adding in a root user, but we need MS SQL. We need a separate user for MS SQL user. We need to create, and we can add that base profile as well for this path. So now I am adding root user as well. Permanently I have added. Now once this is done, you can connect a SQL Server instance by executing below command. So let's see how to connect. I am going to connect SQL Server instance. Trying to connect the SQL Server through the Linux and using this command SQL CMD -s localhost user system administrator password, but I am getting the error like logon failed for user SCA, but I am trying to check that in service status command. Reason for password did not match, so I need to reset the password. Like so I have validated in this way. So I am trying to set the password for SCA, so I am not able to set because I am getting thrown error. So I am moving to next step, installing MS SQL Server agent. We already installed, nothing to do. Okay friends, and this is how I have demonstrated installed MS SQL Server 2017. So hope this will help, and I will be posting all these steps in my blogs as well as in the video description box. Thanks for watching Oracle F1 channel. please do subscribe and share your DBA networks. Thank you.